In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide header and footer in Wix. This is perfect when you want a clean, distraction-free page for things like a landing page, a coming soon screen, or a focused campaign where you don't need navigation at the top or links at the bottom. First, open the Wix editor. Head to your Wix dashboard, go to My Sites, select the website you want to work on, and click Edit Site. That takes you into the visual editor where you can make changes to individual pages. Next, choose the page where you want the header or footer hidden. On the left-hand panel, click Menus and Pages. You'll see a list of all your site's pages. Select the one you're editing so the canvas updates to that page. Remember, these changes are page-specific, so you'll repeat the process for any other pages you want to streamline. Now let's hide the header. Click directly on the header area at the top of the page to select it. You should see its bounding box and a small toolbar. Click the three dots, often labeled More Actions, or the settings icon that appears with the header controls. From the options, choose Hide on this page. As soon as you do, the header disappears from that single page, giving your content more vertical space and removing the site navigation for a focused experience. If you ever need it back, select the header area again and choose the option to show it on the page. Let's do the same for the footer. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and click the footer section to select it. Open the three dots and choose Hide on this page. The footer will vanish from that page, leaving a clean canvas. A quick note here. If you typically show important links like contact, policies, or legal notices in your footer, make sure you place those links somewhere else on this page so visitors can still find what they need. When you're happy with the layout, publish your changes. Click Publish in the top right corner. Saving keeps your work as a draft inside the editor, but publishing makes it live, so your visitors see the page without the header and footer. After publishing, visit the page in a browser to confirm everything looks right. It's also a good idea to glance at the page in the editor's responsive preview to ensure your layout still feels balanced on different screen sizes. That's it. Open the editor, select your page, hide the header and footer using the More Actions menu, and then publish.